Okay, we're now at the Bike Bums mansion. We come all this way to hopefully get an interview with the founder and inventor of Link Lotion. Well, this place looks quite nice, I think. I've heard they're doing all their development in the shed. It seems like something strange is going on here. Is this the right place? Bike Bums. Keep up. Okay, yes. Not so friendly, but maybe we can watch inside. This looks very strange. What's going on here? This is really a laboratory, okay? Don't see anyone. We haven't booked an appointment or so, but we try our best. Knock on the door. What the hell?
What's going on here? What kind of noise is that? Measuring instruments? And test devices? What's going on? Well, that's how it sounded, and looked like for many months, when Bike Bums researched their unique lubricant, Link Lotion. Endless tests and chemical experiments went on day and night. Long, boring tests. Dangerous tests. But in the end, it paid off. Born was a dreamlike lubricant for bicycle chains, which fully spared the cyclist, the driveline and the environment on Earth. The mission was complete. The reward was complete. The road to perfection is long and narrow. This applies regardless of what you are trying to achieve. Trying, again and again, is the key to success. To never give up. To never be discouraged. To just keep going tirelessly and with your eyes fixed on the goal, despite glitches and harassment from those around you. It's the only thing that pays off in the end. And that's exactly how Bike Bums succeeded. We never gave up. We didn't let ourselves be discouraged. We succeeded with the mission impossible given to us. Squeezing 52% paraffin into a bottle of water.